Today we are here with Mandy Honeycutt with DRB Homes, and I would just want to talk a little bit about kind of locations and floor plans and incentives, which is a big thing right now, and then the different warranties that you guys provide. So let's start with floor plans. Variable floor plans, what do you guys offer? Master on Main is a big one. Do you have any floor plans master on Main? Bonus rooms, anything like that for buyers?
Yeah. So yes. Short answer, yes. Long answer, I have a few different. We have townhome floor plans that have primary on main. We also have townhome floor plans with primary on main and a two-car garage.
Oh, nice. On a
Yeah.
townhome?
On a townhome.
Okay,
Yep.
that's awesome.
Yeah. Three-story townhome floor plans as well. For our single family, we have over 10 different floor plans. They're going to feature primary on main and or primary up plus bonus rooms. Um, we've got multiple primary on main floor plans in our single family, ranging from about 1,800 square feet. Our largest is going to be upwards of 3,500 square feet for primary on main.
Okay, so currently we're in Fox Hollow in Spartanburg.
Yes.
So say I find a floor plan that I really like in this neighborhood, where are the different locations can I build that?
We're kind of everywhere under the sun. We go from Boiling Springs all the way, kind of following the 85 corridor, 385 corridor, from Boiling Springs all the way to Seneca, and kind of everywhere in between.
Okay, so like big markets right now, Boiling Springs is huge right now. Fountain Inn, do you have anything in Fountain Inn? Simpsonville, do you have anything in Simpsonville? Greenville, do you have locations in Greenville?
Oh, yeah.
Woodruff, anything in Woodruff?
Yeah.
Okay, so pretty much anywhere that you need. Anderson, do you have anything in Anderson?
Sure
Okay,
do.
so pretty much anywhere that you want to buy a house, you guys have properties that you can sell. So all right, so we covered floor plans, we covered locations. Let's talk about incentives.
Yes.
What are you guys offering to buyers right now?
So incentives are a big deal.
For sure.
Yep. It can help to increase affordability, help to get a buyer into the perfect home that might be a higher price than maybe they thought they could get into previously.
And we were kind of talking about this earlier, but the big thing right now is not how much the home actually costs, it's what your monthly payment and your down payment is going to be.
Correct.
So what you guys can do with your incentives is lower that down payment, or sorry, lower your monthly payment substantially, because you're offering how much of an interest rate?
Yeah, so we have a couple different incentive options on our quick move-in homes. So some of them are going to be eligible for a fixed 4.99% interest rate.
And is that a 3-year, 4-year, 5-year? What is that?
The fixed 4.99, life of the loan.
For 30 years.
For 30
or
years.
15 years, depending on what.
In at 4.99%.
So that never goes away.
Never goes
That's
away.
wild.
Yeah. And on top of that, that is for our FHA, that is for our conventional, that is for our VA, that is for any type of loan. So as little as 0% down, but as little as 3.5% down, locked in at a 4.99.
That's awesome. Do you guys have any properties right now that qualify USDA?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So we have quite a few different communities. Always get in touch with you first to make sure that the property is USDA eligible, just because those guidelines sometimes change.
100%. And can you do the interest rate buy down on that as well? And that would be the 4.99.
Yep.
So you're talking a zero down, essentially loan at a 4.99% rate. That's huge. That's wild. Now, granted, you have to qualify for USDA. There's certain restrictions, but that's wild.
Yep. And then on top of that, also we give $7,000 towards closing costs with that 4.99.
That's crazy, which covers the bulk of their closing costs outside of their down payment. That's wild. All right. So final thing. A lot of people are concerned about new construction and what warranties they have on a new build. So what do you guys offer as far as that?
Yeah. So realistically, once you move into the house, this is the first time this house is being lived in. That's why we offer these warranties. So for the first year, bumper to bumper. So door handle falls off, warranty. Anything, you have your 1-year paint warranty, but the first year, bumper to bumper. Yep. Second year is going to be behind the walls, so it's going to be your plumbing and your electrical. And then there's a 10-year structural warranty.
Okay, so say first weekend I move in, my movers knock a hole in the wall, knock a light fixture down, and
Yeah.
knock a doorknob off.
Throw down the warranty ticket.
Perfect,
They'll
covered. You
come
guys will
out.
come in,
Yep.
fix it.
Yep.
Scuffs on the wall, all of
Yep.
that for the first year.
Yep.
And then the second year,
Is behind the walls.
behind the wall. So
plumbing and
plumbing,
electrical.
electrical, pretty
Yep.
much anything goes wrong with that covered.
Yep. One of your
And
outlets
then
decides to fuzz up.
and then
warranty
year
covered.
8, something happened structurally,
Yeah. It's
which
covered.
I haven't seen, but
And two, really cool, in let's say year 8, you have to move. That 10-year warranty is tied to the house, not to the buyer.
100%.
So that is an additional benefit. If you need to sell the house within 10 years, that warranty, whatever's left, stays with the house.
Perfect. I love it. Hey, thank you so much. It's good to see you.
Always good to see you.
I'll talk to you soon.